So we're out here in the north woods of Michigan today, cooking with fire. We're experimenting with all kinds of different fire cooking techniques. I've got my portable wood-fired pizza oven fired up. We've got packets on foil. We've got stuff on sticks, and just having fun out here in the woods, cooking some great food and cooking it all with pieces of wood. Okay, time to toast some of these special brownies. What's in them?
Well, they're not that special like that. It's nothing but sugar, eggs, butter, chocolate, and a tiny bit of almond flour. So.
And how much marijuana?
Just enough to make it special.
Okay, cool.
We are cooking with fire. Everything, all the different dishes that are being made have to be cooked on the open fire or some sort of wood fire. So we've got lots of different foods going on. We've been taste testing already. It's all delicious food, and there is just more to come. You should be here.
So I am baking bread. I started it out at home, mixed all the ingredients, and then it did its first rise in my Jeep while I was driving up. And that took probably an hour and a half. And then we did the second rise here with just a few coals, and then we added some topping and slashed it, and now it's baking in the Dutch oven with coals on top and below it. So should be done in half hour or so, and we're looking forward to it.
So I've got my portable pizza oven fired up. We're going to let it warm up for about 20 minutes this time, make sure it's nice and hot. I want the stone underneath to get as hot as I can get it, so I get a nice brown on the bottom of the crust. And we're going to make a lot of pizzas, so I got a big pile of sticks, and should be great. So tell me what you're doing, Lark.
I have packets of Italian sausage with assorted peppers and onions that I am placing on the coals. I did this a couple of weeks ago with a friend, and they came out really good, so I thought I'd bring it and share this weekend. I also have garlic bread to do. I made some homemade sourdough and garlic bread, and then there are bananas a la Snickers for dessert. This is garlic bread, my homemade sourdough.
Nice.
Garlic and parsley.
Nice.
This is Lark's specialty here. Sausage, pepper, onion, garlic bread, and some red wine in a Dixie cup.
All right, we're going to pre-roast the onions and the red peppers a little bit because the pizza itself cooks really fast. We want to make sure the toppings are done. Okay, we got the oven nice and hot. We've got the first pizza going in. This is an everything pizza. Oh, that crust is puffing nice. Okay, first pizza out. It's looking nice, and it's nicely browned on the bottom too, so we'll just let it cool for a minute and then we'll slice it up and eat it.
Mmm. That is amazing.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
As a slow rise in the refrigerator.
There we go. Oh yeah.
It's getting there.
It's done.
All right, look at that.
That looks nice.
Wow.
Let's have a look at the bottom. Tilt it toward me. Oh, that's beautiful.
All right, so here's the finished bread. It's should be cool enough that we can cut it, and I've got some butter and jelly. I've got blueberry and strawberry jam that we can put on it.
And this is your first ever loaf of bread you've baked?
Yeah.
In a Dutch oven with a campfire,
Yep.
and it looks magnificent.
Mm-hmm. I'm looking forward to it.
Me too.
All right.
Pizza number 3, ready to go in. Oh, that looks good.
Yeah.
Yeah, and in it goes.
This pizza pizza has pepperoni, mozzarella cheese, crushed tomatoes,
I didn't bring like
onions, and a few peppers on this one. And then we've topped it with fresh chopped basil just after it came out of the oven.
What do you think?
It's delicious. The crust is really good. It's got a lightly crispy on the outside, chewy, soft, everything you want it to be. Perfectly cooked. I'm amazed at how quickly it went.
Yeah, it goes fast.
It's especially good with the basil on top.
Yeah.
My new way to make pizza.
Are you going to make an oven like that? Get your son to make one?
I think that would be a really good idea.
What do you think, Liz? Best one so far?
They're all the best one.
Nice bake.
I need more jelly.
It
This
works
is
just fine
really
when you
delicious.
kind of invert that.
And pretty, too.
But
Yummy.
an artisan bread. And I
Well
just
done,
love
Amy.
it.
Jay, what is that called again? How do you pronounce it?
That is a jezva. Jezva. It has a lot of different names. Ibrik. It's made for Turkish coffee,
That's what I was going to say.
and we use it for that. But at the moment, I'm just using it to heat some milk on the campfire so we can make some cocoa. I acquired this on a trip to the Amazon.
Not what you would expect.
Is that for real?
Yes, I travel to the Amazon frequently.
For what purpose?
Online shopping.
Shame on you.
Oh my God.
Oh, I just took all the milk.
Yeah, and if you want more, I can heat more. So what you doing, Liz?
I'm making toast to dip in my cocoa.
Ooh, yum.
So you got some of Amy's bread,
Yep,
fresh baked.
fresh baked bread, nothing like it.
Now we're going to fresh toast it on the campfire, and then dip it in our campfire cocoa.
Yep. I think that'll be a winning package.
Tell me what this is.
Okay, well, Liz calls them banana boats. I refer to it as bananas a la Snickers. It's a banana. You carefully slice the inside curve. You don't go through the outside peel, but you split the flesh and slice up a Snickers candy bar or whatever your preference is. Tuck it in, wrap it in foil, and bake it in the coals.
Nice. The group took a vote for the best dish, and the winner is Lark for her Italian-style foiled dinner with garlic bread. So tell us what you got first.
A copy of Cooking with Fire, which I am really not that familiar with. It looks like there are all sorts of interesting ideas in here. Wow, it looks like you're
Lark?
building a brick oven.
You have just upped your backpacking game.
I'm not sure how backpackable this is, but wow.
Prepare.
Baking bread.
Ooh.
If you want to borrow this, Amy, though you set a pretty high bar already.
We had a random drawing for a door prize, and the lucky winner is Amy. So,
I got a camping cookbook. Beyond marshmallows and hot dogs.
and what are you going to make out of it?
Oh, probably a lot of things. I haven't even been able to look at it yet, but the front of it looks pretty good. It looks like there's going to be some tasty stuff inside.
Well, that wraps up our Cooking with Fire event. We had a great time, and we all learned a lot, so we look forward to doing it again. Thanks for watching.